Hello, so in today's video we're going to be installing some MGP caliper covers on a 2018 Durango. So in the box we have a front cover, another front cover, a rear cover, another rear cover, and then the clips. The rear covers and the front. Fronts. Also comes with some directions. I think these are the rears. Yeah, these are the rears. Oh, obviously you could tell by the picture size too. I didn't even realize that, but okay. So this one's going to be the rears, and this is the front. Now these are pretty simple. So basically, in short, easy terms, I'll take the package out here quick. So I don't know what this is. Oh, A for... I really don't know what all that's standing for here. Okay, so as you see, these are all the same. All the same ways. So this does, obviously I'll show, but this is just a quick brief description. So this is your caliper right here. What this does is it's going to snap on one side of the caliper and then onto the bottom, so top and bottom. And then these are what these are going to connect to on the caliper. So these holes go with these, and then it's literally just snap them on and screw on the lock nut. Super simple, easy. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first is we're going to go in like this. We're going to go over the top and in between the rotor here like that. Kind of get it all the way to the back as possible, as far back as you can. And then you're going to just push down until it snaps into there. Just like that. Now we'll do the bottom. Alright, so the back's easier here. So we're going to follow the rotor in like this with this hook piece. And it's going to catch into the back right there. So in the middle of the rotor, you're going to pick up and it's going to snap in there onto there. And you're just going to push it all the way over as far as it'll go. So there's the bottom and here's the top. Make sure your rotor spins without any problems. Perfect. No issues with turning. So now we're gonna take off these little bolts. Not bolts. So once you get it on there, put your nuts on. It's gonna go on really hard because these little thin pieces of metal need to be bent around the hardware that they give you. And then once you tighten it down, everything just kind of comes together, and then you're going to push this forward so it'll cover up that gap. So as you see, that little brake bracket thing is covered up. So I just push forward on that a little. Tighten these up, and then you're done with the front. Should have cleaned that powder coat on there. Alright, let's get to the back. Just like this. slide down. And now we're hooked.